Hey you guys, it's Financial Freedom with Velvet. I'm back. I was actually supposed to pause the video and I didn't. So you guys are going to be watching two separate videos, okay? So this is the continuation of that video that I just did. It said, I'll see you on the site. Weird. But, okay, so now we're going to get into one-day rewards. The previous video was about PayPal, Prize Rebel. One-day rewards basically is a 10. Things have changed on this site. I'm not sure if it's they took PayPal off from what they said. I'm not sure. I kept seeing PayPal is permanently gone. They permanently removed PayPal. I don't know, but we're gonna see right now what they have as a cash out option. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's Amazon. You have to get to $2 first. There's $2 Amazon. There's a $5 Amazon. There's Airtim. You have to have 5 cents. Zelle, $5. Bitcoin Cash wallet is 1 cent. Circle, if you have a Circle card, $1. You have to get to $1. Dogecoin is 10 cents. What's this one? It says Bitskins, 1 cent. I don't know. This is just saying withdraw to PayPal 7 cents, withdraw to Cash App 2 cents. I have a Cash App account. I'm gonna start cashing out to my Cash App account. A premium is $1. Steam card $1. Tango $5. You gotta get to 5. Visa gift card $5, and Western Union $20. You have to reach $20 if you want to send money to Western Union. Okay. So they changed some stuff on here because PayPal used to be 10 cents. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I do not know. But I will find out and I will keep you guys updated on this because first it's 10 cents. Now I'm seeing that certain things are 10 cents, but PayPal is saying 7 cents, which is a lot smaller. Okay? I don't know if this is going to be permanent, but I'll find out. Okay? So like it's showing here, you need 7 cents to withdraw PayPal. Right now I have enough to withdraw cash to my Cash App. I'm going to wait till I get a little bit more and then I'll cash out because I'm going to start probably going to the dollar amount to cash out. But with one-day rewards, you can cash out as low as 10 cents. Like I said, there's tons of things you can do on here. Also, let me show you guys this. Tap research is gone. You see that? It's no longer here. Okay? Like I said, I'm not sure what's going on, but things are limited, and maybe it's just because, things are, being used a lot more than others. Okay? So, I do the pay to click wall and the add click wall, and I do a lot of stuff on here. I just pick and choose what I want to do. But you guys can choose whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's basically it there. And we can move on now. So that's one-day rewards, you guys. The payment options have changed. I'm not sure why, but when I find out, you'll find out. Okay, so let me go ahead and pause the video and and I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, so unfortunately I have to install Firefox on my phone in order for us to get to this other site. The site is called DollarClix, and you guys can do your research on it. I can make a video on it. It won't let me go access the website unless I haven't Firefox installed on my phone. Okay, so once I install Firefox, I will come back and do a video on it. But it's another paid to site. It does not have tap research on it, but it has everything else. You guys can do your research on that if you want. DollarClix is the name of the website. I believe you can download. You can only access it on your phone if you have the Firefox installed. So basically it. I talked about Prize Rebel, talked about one-day rewards, talked about DollarClix. Okay, so like I said, Prize Rebel. For those of you that have given up on because of the tap research, do not allow that to keep you from working that site. I cashed out $5 today because of those surveys. Okay, so don't give up. Keep going, and I'll see you guys in future videos.